All right, guys, this is a really honest review of that damn Copper Chef frying pan. Go ahead, roll the intro.
Chocolate Gadgets.
What's up, guys? Gary Edgenay, Chocolate Gadgets. And see, this right here, I'm going to try not to rant, but this right here is why maybe we should do reviews after we've had something for a while. Because first impression, you know what they say, you never get a second chance to make a first impression and all that old nonsense. Well, sometimes first impressions are misleading, okay? So, first of all, I didn't ever think that it was like the best. But you know what? Let me roll, and I'm glad I never put it out. Let me roll a bit of my original review. Hold on. Can y'all see that? It's not sticking at all. It is coming from the side, but it's not 100. It's not sticking at all. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh no, it's moving. Okay. Well, it's better than my other pan. But how they doing on a commercial? It's like it doesn't stick at all. And this is actually, I don't know if you can see that. That's sticking a little bit. So I'm a tad bit disappointed in this. Can y'all see that? I mean, it's coming off easy. It's coming off easy. I don't know if y'all can see. It's coming off easy, but it's still sticking a little bit. So, yeah, I don't know. Hold on. What y'all think, y'all? I mean, I did everything right. What y'all think, y'all? I don't know. I'm gonna have to give this one. This one is not popping, y'all. This one ain't popping. No. Ixnay. That shit stuck. Okay, so that was the beginning, right? And then inside of it, you read the instructions and they tell you that you have to like take it and coat it with olive oil and, you know, put it on the fire and heat it for, I forgot how long. Now, let me just say something. This is the same thing that they do with cast iron or any cookware if they want to make it, you know, to give it non-stick qualities. To which I say, okay, if I'm buying something that's supposed to be non-stick, like super non-stick, why do I have to do that? Like, I shouldn't have to do anything. If I'm buying something and it's supposed to be the bomb, I shouldn't have to take, like, if I buy a car, I shouldn't have to put air in the damn tires before I drive it off the lot. So, I didn't like the fact that I had to do that. So, let me roll a little bit more of this original review. Okay, so this was a while ago, and they wanted you to take some olive oil, put it in a paper towel, and rub it in the pan, right? As you see me doing here. Then they wanted you to cut it on for, it's been a while, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, something like that, right? So you see me with the timer, right? And that's what I did. Also, there's another way that you can do it, where you can do the same thing with the olive oil and put it in the oven. I actually did both. You understand what I'm saying? Just to get that stuff all baked in there. You feel me? And the results were, well, you saw the results. All right, and we're back. Now, this is the deal. This is, I want to show you what that thing looked like after a little while, maybe a month. This is, let me show you what it looked like. Okay, so this was this pan like after
maybe like a month, of cooking, you can see that it's got like these marks. And you couldn't get this stuff out with a scouring pad. It was crazy. Look how bad the bottom was. Horrible.
You see? You see? And guys, it was not very non-stick. And it was hard to clean. And you see those little like lines in it? In order to really get those out, I would have to go in with like a scouring pad, like a metal scouring pad, which would destroy what that horrible ass, whack ass copper nonsense that's in there. You know what I'm saying? So to me, I think that these guys are honestly, I think that Copper Chef and a lot of these non-stick cookware, I think that they're blowing smoke up our asses. I think that they're, and first of all, if you look at it, the egg didn't slide off the damn frying pan. So never was really that good, and it got worse day by day by day. So I'm gonna say to all you guys, anyone, do not buy Iron Chef. Don't buy it. I'm gonna say, from what I've been told, I'm gonna have to do a review on this. Just get cast iron. Just get one of those new age cast irons and do the whole vegetable oil. Put it in the oven instead of putting it on the pan. Put it in the oven, bake it, and that'll probably be better. All right, so I'm gonna give that thing, I don't know what I gave it before, but I'm gonna give it a half of a chocolate bar, just a half. And the only reason why it gets a half and not nothing at all is because, worst case scenario, you can actually cook on it. Like it is a pan, but it defeats but it's just like any other damn pan. You gotta wash it and scour it and do all that stuff and throw it in the garbage after a couple of months. So anyway, thumbs down on that crap. All right, I'm Gary Ejanae. This is Chocolate Gadgets. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of, because man, I'm liable to do anything on this show. I review a glass of water. Anyway, I'm Gary Ejanae, and I'm out. Peace.